Okay, so check it out. We always asking, yes, I'm driving right now, but asking like, what's the meaning, right? What's the meaning of life? What's the meaning? So if we look at it as a quantum, right, and we look at this torus of negative and positive atoms, protons, electrons, etc., and the manifestation or creation is in the center, positive above, and then negative expelling out the bottom, right? So you've got creation, you've got, manifestation, you've got the materialization of it, and then you have the destruction of it at the bottom, right? So you have this full field of energy going, right? And it's like, if that was the whole of existence, which it essentially is, but if that's all it was without life, then it's like, well, that's interesting, right? For the powers, like, interesting, but what does it mean, right? What is that? Well, that's life, that's existence. But what do you mean? What does that look like? What does that look like? What does that feel like? Okay, well, let's visualize it. So then let's say they took all those experiences and wove them into tapestry of different colors and things and patterns of traumas and births and happiness and joy, elation, all the different things, right? And put that into a tapestry of color. And then they're looking at it going, that's beautiful, but what is it? That's life. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, but what does it mean? What does it mean? What does it feel like? What does each color represent? Happiness, elation. What is that? How would that look? So then it's, all right, put people, physical existence in there to experience all of the different realities and feelings and things. And still creating the tapestry, still creating the torus, still all of those universal things are still in existence. It's just that now, as people, as beings, as those that understand emotion and life, trauma, pain, and happiness and joy and elation, when we see that tapestry and understand that those colors represent all the tears, all the smiles, all the things, right? What a beautiful picture that is then. What a beautiful freaking picture. Even then, the torus becomes a much more beautiful representation of what it's doing, what it is. How amazing. And then even as the torus maybe gains momentum in the negative and in the positive is trying to regain its strength to keep that field in existence, perhaps we can understand a little more about what's happening even in our plane of existence now, as the negative is constantly taking over and the positive is trying its hardest to influence enough to get us right again, right? So anyway, little thought on why everyone wants to know, why are we here? That's why. Because without that, this story was just a little too hard to understand. So thank you for helping paint this beautiful tapestry we have going on. And, thank you for being mindful of our giant torus. Don't let it fall into a black hole to nothing. Don't let all our time and energy be for nothing, right? That's the idea. It's not all for naught. Let's make it beautiful. Keep thinking the positive. Stay in the positive. Let's build this positive back up. Let's get it back going. All right. Love you.